Want to make a really delicious chicken and turn it into an amazing dish with a mind-blowing sauce? Then stick around. I start by finely chopping 2 cloves of garlic, and I want them really small so they fill the oil in the pot with flavor. A small pot with plenty of oil. I'm going to brown them here. Those finely chopped garlic cloves cook quickly, but I make the most of the time because while they're browning, always over medium heat, I managed to get enough time to slice half a red bell pepper into strips and also some green pepper. I'm going to use this Italian style, but you can add more or less pepper depending on your taste. I'm also going to slice an onion, and I'll do it in rings so I get pretty thin strips. Add both the pepper and the onion to the already golden garlic, and we're also going to add a pinch of salt. Don't overdo it, just a little bit. Stir it around and let it cook while we prepare the chicken. I only use drumsticks, my favorite part. I use 2 trays, about 1.5 kilos, and I salt and pepper them, meaning I put plenty of salt on top and also black pepper. If it's freshly ground, even better. And with freshly washed hands, I turn them over so everything gets coated on the skin. Now that we have the onions nice and soft, we put these wonderful pieces of chicken in, and we want them to brown and sear, so we place them all in and keep turning them over. I take this moment to start chopping potatoes. I've peeled them and I'm cutting them into slices. And let me remind you about the chicken. We just keep turning it over until it starts to brown. Golden brown, it's that simple. Once it's golden brown, it's time to add some liquid. And in this case, I love to add white wine. 1 cup, about 200 milliliters, cook again over medium or slightly higher heat till the alcohol evaporates. Then you add 400 milliliters or 2 cups of crushed tomatoes. You'll have to do the same thing. Stir it and let it cook slowly. And once it's all mixed together, add 1 liter of broth. If it's chicken broth, even better, but you can use whichever you like while it cooks slowly over low heat. In the meantime, let's fry in plenty of oil. Those little potatoes we had cut, when they're golden, we'll take them out and set them aside on a plate with plenty of paper towels. So they absorb the excess oil, we add the right amount of salt and keep going. Keep checking on them. Now with the chicken covered, we want it to get tender. When you see it's almost cooked, add half a cup of peas. In my hometown, we say arvellos, but elsewhere they're arvellas. What do you call them? Once they're tender, after about 5 more minutes, we'll have this going. Look how good it looks. It depends on the chicken, the pot, and the temperature. You might have this ready in half an hour total, or in 45 minutes. It really depends on the pieces. What is important is that it simmers gently, not too hard. And when you think the chicken is ready, you add the potatoes and let them cook. What I call a burst of heat, meaning you leave it in for 2 or 3 minutes until everything is at the same temperature. And once you have it ready, you need to call your people because it's almost time to eat. Come on, start setting the table. You'll have this wonderful dish here, and you'll serve it on a plate with some sauce to dip your bread in. Look how delicious it looks. An incredible chicken that, when you put it on the plate, makes you want to eat it even more, especially when you pour the sauce over it. Look how tasty it is, how it pours over, how it covers everything. A sauce that's perfect for dipping bread. It's amazing how you even enjoy savoring the last drop of sauce left in your mouth. Try it, you're going to love it. And since I'm talking with you a little, I'd like you to tell me, where are you watching the video from? And what's your favorite chicken recipe? We'll travel the world enjoying delicious things